JP! Where are you, pup? There you are. Come here, you big dog. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. Good morning. It's -10 and windy. Well, looks like my snow fence isn't doing too well. I haven't quite figured out where that hydraulic oil is coming from, but I'll wait for a warmer day. Check the level, everything's good. So I'm gonna move some snow. Yesterday, one of the pipes in my well froze, so I want to blow some more snow on there to insulate that. Well, the wind really isn't cooperating today. This is the third day in a row having to blow out the driveway, and we got a lot of snow today and yesterday. Looks like I have some work to do to get my truck back inside. That's drifted in since this morning. Well, still haven't dealt with that. Lots of oil. I parked the truck there. Now those are 2-foot tall cement blocks. this truck away before I run into it. I have to try not to run into my house, but I also don't want to shovel. Well, that's good enough for tonight.